Now I want to review about activity unit 8. Everybody please open your activity book page 74. We have to review before we do our daily test. The first one, look, read and circle the word. What picture is it? The picture is cow. Number 2, what picture is it? Okay, the picture is good. And the third, what picture is it? Is it bar or field? Is it bar? Number 4, what picture is it? Is it donkey? Number 5, is it foal? Number 6, it is duck or donkey? Is it duck? Okay, we continue to 75. Let's read number 4. Read and write the word. Milk comes from this animal. It isn't a cow. What is it? Okay, it's a cow. Number 2. This animal can swim and fly. It likes water. What animal is it? Is it duck? Okay. Number 3. We can write this animal. It's not a donkey. It is horse. Yes. Number 4. Wool comes from this animal. What animal is it? Is it sheep? Nice. Number 5. This is a house for cows and horses. What is it? It is a barn. The last one is number 6. Fish and ducks swim in this. What is this? It is pond. Okay. Good. Let's go to the next pages. Number 5. Look, read, and think. Okay. The cow is eating or the cow is jumping. What is the best answer? You have to put a tick. The cow is eating. Nice. Number 2. The horse is running or the horse is sleeping. Yes, the horse is running. You have put a tick. Number 3. The duck is flying or the duck is swimming. Good. The duck is flying. Next, number 6. Look, read, and answer the question. What's the donkey doing? It's eating. Number 2. What's the duck doing? It's running. Okay, good. Number 3. What's the goat doing? It's sleeping. Number 4. What's the sheep doing? It's running. Okay. We have continue. Number 9. This one, okay? Number 9. Look, read, and circle the word. Is the horse eating or sleep? No, it isn't. Look, the answer is no. Is the horse eating? No. So the answer is sleeping. The horse is not eating, but it is not sleeping. Yeah. So the answer is sleeping. Number 2. Is the cow running or sleeping? No, it isn't. Look, the answer is no. Is the horse running or sleeping? Okay, so the answer is the cow sleeping? No, it isn't. The cow is running. Yes. Number 3. Is the goat sleeping or eating? Which one is the best answer? Sleeping or eating? The answer is, look, the answer is yes. Yeah, sleeping. You have to circle sleeping. Number 4. Is the duck swimming or flying? The answer is flying. Okay. Is the duck flying? Okay. Number 5. Is the sheep eating or running? Look, the answer is no. We have to circle eating or running. Which one? Is the sheep eating? Yeah. Number 6, the last number is the horse sleeping or swimming? Look, the answer is yes. Yes, it is. So the answer is sleeping. Okay, is the horse sleeping? You have to circle sleeping. Okay, nice. Next to page. If always, page 81. Number 1, picture is it? Cow. Number 2, donkey. Number 3, field. Number 4, pond. Number 5 is sheep. Number 6, barn. Okay, we have to be express today. Okay. Number 1, you have to do by yourself in your house. Okay. And number 2, look, write the answer. Is it page 83? What's the goat doing? It's jumping. Is there a park next to the supermarket? Yes, there is. Number 3. Is the sheep running? Yes, it is. Number 4. What's the horse doing? It's sleeping. Okay, students, that's all about our activity for today. Thank you for listening. I hope you can do your daily test tomorrow. Thank you. See you. God bless you all.